rock your dome, boy, ayy, rock your dome, boy, ayy, rock your dome, boy, ayy, rock your dome. This nigga let me come in my face and start a conversation. You know you can't fade me, I'ma hit you in your face. Then your legs start shaking anytime to get away. I'ma punch you in the face and make sure you feel the pain. I'm about to make a nigga wanna get the cuss and mess you up so quick. You gon' think I'm in the rush. But sure, cuz, shut up. You heard Little John, don't stop, no stuff, won't be no stuff, nigga. And I don't give a fuck about you because you walking around with some brand new shoes. That's alright with me, but if you put a talking accent, I'ma knock it to sleep. Beat was made in 93, but I had to get straight knee ASP, boy, ayy, rock your dome, boy, ayy, rock your dome, boy, ayy, rock your dome, boy, ayy, rock your dome. Tell me why you got beef for me. Is it because I've been trying to be nice? I've been acting like I can't hear the niggas the worst about me. Don't take it far, just try to be nice. I ain't gonna last as long, cause I gon' bend it, dip it, slip it, dip it, chip it, bend it, turn me back to the old me. Cause y'all don't know me. Everybody got sensitive feeling. That's why people write these songs to express the feeling. Shit, nobody got beef for me. If I ain't got beef with you, then why you got beef for me? This beat was made in 93, but I had to get straight knee AS. Boy, ayy, rock your dome, boy, ayy, rock your dome, boy, ayy, rock your dome, boy, ayy.